Hi everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic Blessings Coming Your Way for the week starting from 6 to 12 September 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a book, and this is pile B, which is a hat. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. If you pick Pile A, which is a book right here, these are your messages for the week starting from 6 to 12 September. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile A, is the Star. Possibly you know this talks about destiny and past life connections here. Maybe you're dealing with someone with whom you have shared a past life connection. You cannot fight destiny. Other than that, this week is also one where you will be making spur of the moment decisions. I think the energy flow is such that you want to get ahead. You may even be a bit aggressive. Ideally, Pile A, you should control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. Work-wise also, I think your expectations could be quite high. Maybe they are not going to be met. Incidentally, you did pick up the book, so maybe you need to research a bit or you need to delve deeper into the subjects that you're working on. Sometimes, our guesses aren't always correct, but you should take heart from the fact that you have tried your best. I'm also picking up that somebody could also hinder your plans or could try to pour water on your plans, so you should be careful of those who are out to make mischief. The next card in your reading, Pile A, is Lenormand's Stork. This card is a harbinger of change. There's going to be transition or progress in your life. This change could be in any aspect of your life, whether in your professional life or in your personal life. Maybe there's a change of residence here because the stork is a migratory bird. It builds its nest. In fact, it keeps adding to its nest. So maybe you're also somebody who is going to do some renovation or plan some changes around your home. I think there could also be news coming in from another place, or there could be some gifts that you could receive from people who have returned from a journey here. Archangel Raphael is asking you to detoxify. Perhaps it's time to remove the chemicals, or in case you're also somebody who's ingesting medicines, and you should focus on natural foods as well. Maybe you should switch to an organic diet which is devoid of preservatives, sugar, or other chemicals. Some of you could also be leaving a toxic situation behind. Then you will definitely feel lighter. Maybe at this point in time your body is highly sensitive, so you should be careful of allergic reactions as well. The next card in this reading is Twin Flame from the Angel Therapy deck. From the Star right here to this card, Twin Flame, certainly you're dealing with someone with whom you have a past life connection. Maybe this person is also connecting with you on a 5D plane, even if physically the two of you are not together. Definitely this is a very spiritual connection that you share. The two of you belong to the same soul group. Destiny is bringing the two of you together, or you're somebody who's balanced your past life karma, so you're coming together in this lifetime. A twin flame journey is never an easy one. It's a cat and mouse chase. Somebody could be the runner, somebody could be the chaser here. But then this is essential for your spiritual growth and evolution in this week. I think the two of you are going to help each other in every aspect of your life. Apart from dealing with a twin flame, you also have to take care of your parents, because parental care is the next card here. So this is also a role reversal of sorts, because our parents had taken care of us while we were children, but now it is our duty towards them. Maybe you should gather support from everybody involved here, or perhaps for some of you, you need to work on your relationship, reconcile your differences with your parents in this week. The last card in this reading is You and Your Loved Ones Are Safe. The next card in this reading is New Direction. This lady, she is focusing on the light, or she is making her way towards the light. So certainly this book is also going to guide you, or you're going to learn something about life this week. Even the stork was pointing out towards some kind of movement or change here, and maybe you're also making those travel plans this week. Definitely you're working or you're moving in a new direction. Maybe there are going to be detours in the path, but then you needn't be afraid Incidentally, the last card in this reading is you and your loved ones are safe. Whatever the trials and tribulations that this week is going to present, be rest assured, Pali, that you and your loved ones are safe and protected and guided by your angels. In case it concerns a health matter of a loved one or your aging parents, you should understand that recovery is on the cards, or there's going to be some good progress with respect to health as well. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. This is Tower with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the hat right here, these are your messages for the week starting from 6 to 12 September 2021. Possibly, you're somebody who's going to take on very many roles this week. I think you should be prepared to take the responsibility because the onus is going to be on you. Maybe family members are going to rely upon you for assistance and you're going to come good this week. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Ace of Swords. Certainly you're somebody who's going to take the initiative. You're going to cut through these obstacles. Perhaps it's your quick thinking which is allowing you to make headway. Even if time is at a premium or even if you have too much on your plate, you're going to move forward and you're going to forge ahead. Somebody who's going to make the most of the energy that is coming into your life this week. I think deals will also be finalized very quickly, or you will be paid pronto, or money is coming in as well for your services. Besides, I think your goodwill or the past goodwill that you have earned is going to help you secure those last minute deals. Other than that, Pile B, this work, paperwork or technical work could also keep you busy. I think there could be times when there could be errors in official transactions, so it would be advisable for you to be very careful and vigilant. As this is also the Swords card, so certainly you're somebody who is going to react to situations. So maybe there could be misunderstandings in your relationships. At times, you could also be blowing hot and cold. Sometimes, many of you could also feel that you're not being paid attention to, or that your words are not being interpreted the way you would have liked. Ideally, Pile B, I think it would be best to nip issues in the bud rather than make a mountain out of a molehill. The next card in this reading is Rider from Lenormand. Certainly, you're somebody who's coming in with quick messages, or somebody is entering your life this week who is going to bring in communication or news from another place. Like the Swords energy, or this energy is also quite active and dynamic. You are somebody who's full of life, who's youthful and passionate. I think delays are going to be a thing of the past and activity is going to begin this week. Maybe Pile B, you're also dealing with someone who's quite wishy-washy. You need to give this person time to prove himself. Archangel Raphael is also telling you that Jesus, the divine healer, or his healing presence is with you. Your prayers are definitely being heard and answered. You need to have trust and faith in miracles and blessings because they are going to abound in your life this week. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have this card, Vacuum Away Fear. Fear could hinder your progress this week, so you need to clear yourself of the residual energies that are there. You should trust that everything will work out for the best for you. Besides, fear interferes with your happiness and plans. Incidentally, we started this reading with the Ace of Swords, so maybe some of you are also dealing with an issue here with respect to your family. Maybe you have to reach out to somebody for assistance and guidance, and this person is the best person to help you out. Perhaps you're hesitant or tentative, you don't want to reach out to this person, but then you will do so. So this is why it is imperative for you to understand that it's no point having second thoughts. Rather, you should go with the flow. You should create the opportunity so that you can help those around you. Seems to be a recurring message here. From Vacuum Away Fear, we have Courage here. So this card is also asking you to be brave enough to make the change. Perhaps there have been disappointments in the past with respect to a connection or with respect to a work-related idea. I think this is the time to tap into your core and let these disappointments become a thing of the past. Maybe you shouldn't look too far ahead. Rather, you should take positive action steps and work towards your desired outcome. For some of you, this could imply that you want to be cocooned or you want to be in your comfort zone, but your angels are telling you to be assertive, to step into the leadership role like this hat here. Maybe you're taking on the leader's role this week, or like the Ace of Swords, you're going to move forward fearlessly. Things will also settle down if you have the courage to face the situation. You will feel comfortable once you have made those decisions and once you have understood that there's going to be steadiness in your life, or everything is going to be quite like the way you have desired. Last card in this reading is Go Forward Fearlessly. Again, it's a sign that you're on the right path and it's safe for you to move forward with your plans. I think as long as you hold your intentions or that you're focused on your heart's desire, then you're going to achieve your ends. Certainly your steps will automatically take you in the right direction. I hope you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.